your hip joints and your ankle joints lined up. So I got to get your feet closer together. And then the reason you're bottoming out, look at the hips are going, you're turning back okay there, but your head's moving a little to the right. That's your practice swing. Well, guess what? I don't think you're doing that on your real swing. It's actually not bad.
It's not finishing either.
Right. The lower body is really, it's an afterthought, right? I mean, you start down, your hips don't really start the downswing, your arms start the downswing. But that's the major issue, right? So we got to get you to do a drill. It's called the pelvic punch drill. You're going to take a half swing with a full turn, and you're going to fire your body and hit the ball. So you're essentially hitting the ball from this position. So we're going to get you to use the ground. Using ground force. It's just like in boxing. You got to fire the body, and the only way you can fire the body is push off from the ground to generate torque or rotation. So, you know, that's an at-home exercise for you. For you to start to hit the ball, we got to get that weight to shift, right? I mean, that's part of the deal. And we got to get, when you hit the golf ball, we got to get this left wrist in flexion. You're in extension.
It's so hard to know where my wrist is.
I know it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to have you practice at home this exercise here, arching that lead wrist. So when you go home, if you were going to backhand me and this were a wall, I want the back of your left hand to hit the wall with this part, the meat of the wrist. The lead arm is connected here. You're turning your trunk, and the wrist is in flexion, so it's in an arch position. That's how you're going to generate some speed.